So welcome to the Mario's National Pizza Eating Competition. Not the actual competition itself, that begins on the 12th of August. I'm your truly Major Penny, and today we are at Brooklyn Bar because we're going to do a pop-up pizza eating competition. They have no idea what's about to happen. So let's see how this goes. Who's going to sit on the throne at the final? Let's find out. So you have 5 minutes to eat as many slices of a medium cheese pizza as possible. 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, pizza go! Who do you think is going to be the one sitting on the throne at the end of 2017? Gonna wait. We have to find out. We're at Brooklyn Bar next week, August 12th. Meet us at Trincity Mall for the beginning of the competition itself. See you there.